Hi there, this is Penelope, and this is a short video on how to upload an assignment through Moodle at Welltech. Now, some of this information will be pertinent to my courses, some of it will be generic enough for the other courses. First up, go to the welltech.ac.nz page and then scroll right to the bottom and click on Moodle. Now, at this stage you will have been issued with a login and a password or temporary password. You may have changed that. I will just log in. Now you need to then go to your course. Your view will be slightly different from this because this is the lectures version. But you choose the course now. Because this is for FS 3128 or DE 4102, I'm going to go to FS 3128, but you choose the appropriate course for you. Click on that. Now, this is specifically for FS 3128, and your assignments are each time in each topic. So you will click on each topic. So for FS 3128, the assignment itself is written here. It's a PDF file and it opens like that. Need to show all your working, etc., etc., etc. When you have finished, and I don't want you to write on the sheets there, I want you to write on ordinary paper. When you have finished, you will need to scan it and save it as a PDF. Now, you can do it on your phone. Your phone is good enough quality. There are plenty of computers around campus that will allow you to do this as well. So you need to scan it, save it as a PDF, and you need to name it in a specific way, which we'll go over in class. This video is about uploading it. Underneath the actual assignment is a picture of a piece of paper going into a computer. That is how you upload your assignment. You click on there. Again, this is going to be a different view from yours, but you click on there and it will then ask you to search for a file. Click on that, click on the file and click upload and you're done. So it's this button here that you use to upload your assignment. Now, if you're watching this and you are a diploma student, then for my diploma maths course, all of the assignments and the uploads are in one place. The online homework submission, and there they all are there. So the same thing, click on them, choose the file, upload it, and you're done. Okay, thanks.